Hello, this is Daisy from Onu Machinery. Today I want to introduce our A400 automatic square bottom paper bag making machine to you. If you make the bag with handle, the bag weighs from 20 to 40 centimeters. If without handle, the bag weighs from 50 to 40 centimeters. And the bag size from 9 to 20 centimeters, and the paper thickness from 80 to 140 GSM. And the machine production speed is around 150 pieces per minute. This machine produces the box bag. It's mainly for the shopping bag, packing the clothes, for shoes, and also for the advancement box bag, for gift box bag, and for some takeaway box bag for the food. This whole machine length around 15 meters and consists by 6 units. First, loop handle forming unit. Feed the twisted loop here and 2 paper roll, usually 9 to 10 centimeters. And here is the EPC controller. When the rope comes to here, the hot glue and the water glue bombing it and cut into half, then deliver the rope into the paper. It will form like this. Second, feeding unit. According to the bag size, to prepare suitable roll here. And here it's controlled by the hydraulic jack out feeding. And here it's the tension controller and the EPC controller. Can keep the paper roll in the right position and the small state. Number 3, handle attach unit. Dispatch 2 handle light here. The handle piece will be cut off, and then handle piece will be cut off and transferred to the pushing clamp. Then cut handle will be sent to the designated position. Then stick into empty or printed roll paper by glue. When the fabric goes to here, the side glue coming here, and here it's the fourth unit. First, paper roll comes here. It will become the paper tube forming here, and you can adjust this plant to control the paper weight, and the side weight you can control by the plant, also adjust here. And here it's the touch screen. You can set the paper cutting length here, and also can set the production speed here. When the paper roll comes here, it will be cut into pieces and open the back bottom. Then the glue side seam and you close it. Then go to file unit. Bag collect here. You can set in accounting as your requirement, so you can get finished the bag like this. Whole process is completed at one time. For automatic production, help you save the labor cost. Last one, distribution box. We use a Yaskawa motor, Schneider electric parts can run to ensure the machine runs stable and quickly and intelligent to reduce the time or paper bag size adjustment. In additional, total 12 pieces of motor in the A400 mode, including 5 pieces in the handle unit. Number 1, handle 4-in traction motor. Number 2, traction motor. Number 3, cutting. Number 4, gluing. Number 5, conveyor motor. And there have 7 pieces of motor in the bag 4-in unit. Number 1, the host traction motor. Number 2, means motor. Number 3, the bottle cutting model. Number 4, the bagless cutting submodel. Number 5, the bag convey model. Number 6, the bag bottom open submodel. And the 7th one, last one is here, the bag glue submodel. Okay, if you're interested to make the paper bag, just contact me freely. Bye.